Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and also you're welcome to today what mathematics likely question answer for this upcoming Waec examination. Okay, if this is your first time watching my video or visit my channel, do well to subscribe, like, or hit the notification button in case what we have a new video like this. Okay, this is the question I have for you today. This week we are looking about what geometry what progression. So, and this is Waec question based on what on this geometry what progression on this topic we're looking what towards what this week. So this question I have for you today, and this likely right question that probably you see in this upcoming what Waec examination. Okay, don't forget, if it's the first time watching my video or what visit my channel, do it to subscribe, like a subscription button in case what we have a new video like this. And also, if you wish miss our previous class and you wish to watch our previous our previous video, you can check in the description link below. You see the direct link. You see the link that will direct you to our previous video. Okay, without wasting our time, let's go into what today's business. So here we have what the question states that if 3 minus s, 6, 7 minus 5s are consecutive for term of a geometric progress GP with constant ratio r greater than 0, find the value of what s and the what constant ratio. So what we just did here now is very simple. I did mean you watched our previous video concerning what this GP. This question is under what n time of what of GP. So in this place now, to find your value of this s now and to find your common ratio now. So if you still remember now, formula to calculate the common ratio, here we have to be ratio because you have how many times. Okay, let me first find the number of times outside. Okay, there are time here. You have our first time as 3 plus 3 minus what s, and here 6, and here was 7 minus what 5 what s. So in this place now, this is our first. Why this is our second, this is our third now. So in this place now, how many ratios you can get here? So this is to get our common ratio here. To get our common ratio, let's say ratio 1 is equal to this first ratio, this first term divided by the what? The second term here. So that will be 6 divided by what? 3 minus what? S. So let's call this one what? Equation what? 1. So our ratio 2 is equal to, so this one, this time second time divided by the what? The top term. So that will be what? 7 minus what? 5s over what? 6. So let's call this one equation what? 2. So we have this like this now. So to get the value of this set now, so you have to equate what? These two equation. So it means that this equation 1, this ratio 1 is equal to what? Ratio what? 2. So therefore, this one became 6 over 3 minus s equal to, we have 7 minus 5s over what? 6. So in this place, since we have it like this now, and we are working towards what? S. So what we just do here now, since this part and this part, they are both in fraction and they're separated by what? Equal to. So what we just do here is to cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, it will be 6 times 6 here. It will be 3 minus s times what? 7 minus what? 5s. So 3 times 6 times this give what? 30 what? 6 equal to is what? 3 minus s into bracket multiply by what? Open bracket again. That's 7 what? Minus what? 5 what? S. Let's close the bracket. So in this place, let's open this first bracket here. Let's expand this bracket now. We have for 36 equal to 3 times 7, that is 21. Okay, 3 times 5, you have minus here, that is minus what? 15 what? S. Here we have s times 7, that's what? Minus what? 7 what? S. You have s times what? 5, that is what? Minus times minus gives what? Plus. We have minus times, s times 5s, that's what? 5 what? S what? Square. So we have expand what? This what? So now we have expand what? This left hand side now. So what we just do here now, when you collect the like time, this one minus 5s minus 7s, they are like. So you have what? Minus 15s or minus 7s. What it gives? It gives what? 22. It gives 22. So in this place we have 36 equal to minus this 21 rather. This time this minus 15s minus 7s, that's what? Minus what? 22 what? S. And here we have plus what? 5s what? Square. So if you rearrange this one, and this one leads to what? Quadratic what? Equation. So if you rearrange this, we have a 5s square. We have s minus what? 22s we have what? Plus 21 equal to, we have 6. So in this place now, you can collect like time, because this one and this one they are like. So if you collect this one and this one together, this one will have 5s squared minus 22s, rather 22s. Take this one to this place, we have what? Plus what? 21 minus what? 36 equal to 0. Okay, now plus 21 minus 36, we have what? Minus what? 15. So this one becomes, we have 5s squared minus what? 22s minus 50 equal to what? 0. So this will now give us what? Quadratic equation now. So in this place now, you can use either, you have three methods of solving your quadratic equation, either by factorization or complete the square method, or what? By general what? Formula. But in this time now, I'll be using what? General formula. So now our general formula says that plus minus b square, minus b plus or minus square root of what? B square minus 4ac over what? 2a. So from this place now, to get the value of our a, and to get the value of our b, and get the value of our c. So for this place, the coefficient of s square is what? Is a. You have our a is equal to what? Coefficient of s square, you have 5. Where our b, coefficient of what? Of s, that is what? Minus 22. That b is equal to what? Minus what? 22. We have our comma, we have our c. Our c is what? Is the constant, which is what? Minus what? 15. That gives us minus 50. So this data now, let's input it to what? Let's input this data now into this what? To this formula. So now become, from this place, let me go this place. Input this one to this place. We have minus. We have minus. We have b. Our b is equal to what? 20 minus 22. We have into bracket was minus 22. We have plus or minus square roots of our b. Now please, we have minus what? 22. Everything was square minus. Here we have 4 times our a is what? 5 times our c is what? Minus what? 15. Divided by what? 2 times our a is what? Is 5. So in this place now, what we just here now is very simple. Is to what? Let's open this what? Our bracket here, and let's solve this what? Inside what? This square root here. Okay, minus times minus here, we have a plus. That is 22 plus or minus square root of this. Minus 22 square, that's minus 22 times minus 22, that gives us 4, 8 what? 4 minus, here we have minus times minus here, this one gives us plus, and here we have 5 times 5 here, 4 times 5 here, times what? 15, that gives us what? 300 divided by, we have 2 times 5, we have 10. So in this place, let's solve this word inside this square root now. 484 plus 300, that is what? 784. So we have 22 plus or minus, we have 784 divided by what? 10. So in this place, let's find the square root of what? Of 784. Square root of 784 is 28. So you have 22 plus what? Plus or minus 28 over 10. So in this place, now you can expand this one, you can split this one into 2, because we have plus here, we have what? Negative here. So that's it to be 22 plus 28 over 10, or 22 minus 28 over what? 10. So from this place now, what we just do here now, add this one together, this plus this, that gives us what? 50 over 10, or here this minus this, that is what? Minus 6 over what? 10. So in this place, on 10 here 1, 10 here we have a 5, 2 here 1, so 2 here you have 3, 2 here we have what? 5. So in this way we have 5 or minus 3 over what? 5. So our s is either is equal to what? 5, or s is equal to what? Minus what? 3. So this is the value for what? Of s. The value for s according to this question is what? S is equal to 5, and s is equal to what? Minus 3 over what? Over 5. So that is the value for what? S. So you have solved for this question 1. This answer for this question 1. I hope you understand this video. Okay, let's look how you can solve for this question 2. So now, to get this question 2 now, you can put for this either of this what? Equation here. You have the first equation here, or r is equal to 6 over 3 else. You can use any of these two to get what? The constant what? Ratio. So now let's use equation 1 to solve our constant what ratio. So from this equation 1, so let me solve it like this. We have our equation 1 from this place. Equation 1 for this place, we have our R1 is equal to, we have 6 over 3 minus what? S. So for this equation 1, so you can get our common ratio. You know what S? You can use when S. You can state it into condition. When S is equal to, let's pick any one of these. Let's pick any one of these. When S is equal to 5. So when S is equal to 5 now. So now we replace 5. Anywhere you see S, replace by what? 5. So ratio 1 is equal to, we have 6 over what? 3 minus what? 5. So 3 minus 5, that is 3 minus 5, it gives us minus what? 2. So in this place, our R1 is equal to, we have 6 into bracket what? Minus what? 2. So 2 here 1, 2 here, we have what? 3. So our R now is equal to what? Minus what? 3. So our value of our common ratio 1 is what? Is equal to what? Minus what? 3. So now when you say S is equal to, the second note, our S is equal to what? Minus 3 over 5. So let's say when S is equal to minus 3 over what? 5. So what will be the value of our what? Our common what? Constant what? Ratio. So now constant ratio is equal to, let's use the same equation 1 we use here. We have as what? 6 over 3 minus what? S. And S is equal to what? 3 over 5. So now when you input it here, we have our common ratio is equal to, you have 6 over 3 minus what? That is what? Into bracket, because of this minus here, let's put into bracket, minus 3 over what? 5. So in this place now, let's open this bracket, and minus times minus, it gives us plus. So therefore now our R now will be equal to 6 over what? 3 plus 3 over what? 5. So in this place, you can find what? The LCM of this. So when you find the LCM of this one, make this into this over 1 to this one to make what? In fraction. So let's find the LCM of this one. And find the LCM of 1 and what? And 5. So here we have our R is equal to 6 over LCM of 5 and 1. We have what? 5. Let's be over here. 1 divided by 5, that is 5. 5 times 3, we have 15. Plus 5 divided by 5, we have 1. 1 times 3, we have what? 3. So in this place now, you can say therefore now, our R is equal to 6 over here 15 plus 3. That is what? 18. We have 18 over what? 5. So in this place, this can also be expressed as what? 6 divided by, okay, let me use as this one. It can also be expressed, sorry, mistake. You have R is equal to 6 divided by, you have 18 over what? 5. So 18 over 5, rather. 18 over 5. So in this place now, you can say, let's exchange this one. Let's change the division into what? Multiplication now. So when you change this division to multiplication, this one will go up, be inverse of this. This one will go up. Why this was 18 comes down. So our R now is equal to, we have 6 multiplied by what? 5 over what? 18. So here we have 6 here. 1. 6 in 18. We have what? 6 good divided. We have 3. 6 divided by 18. We have 3. So in this place now, what we just do here now, we have our R is equal to what? 5 over what? 3. So our R is equal to what? 5 over 3. When our S is equal to minus 3 over 5. R is equal to what? 5 over 3. So according to the question now, they say what? With your constant ratio is what? R greater than what? 0. When our common ratio is greater than 0. If you look at this one, and our common first ratio here, we get at this place is what? It's minus what? 3. So where this our ratio is what? This one is less than what? 0. So here our ratio now will be equal to what? This, because this 5 over this is greater than what? 0. If we use it to divide by this, we get 1 point something. So this one gives what? Is greater than what? 0. So now, not a therefore, when R greater than 0, so our R now is equal to what? 5 over what? 3. So this is the answer for the what? Constant what? Ratio. So that is how you solve for this question, and that is how you solve this question, unlikely question to what? To this question in this upcoming WAEC examination. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, also the notification button in case what you have a new video like this, and in case you miss what our previous video, you can check in the description below to see the link that directs you to our previous video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.